Powder coating anything requires good prep work to assure a flawless finish. This is true for painting with an HVLP gun, powder coating, and even spray paint. Powder coating adds an extra layer of protection that other coatings do not. It is more durable and less susceptible to paint chipping if appropriately applied. We put together 4 tips to prepare your parts for powder coating. These tips could be the difference between a show-worthy finish and an unsatisfactory finish. Cleaning parts. This is the biggest problem with powder coating. The parts must be clean of all oil and contamination. If the parts are not clean, the paint does not stick. Prep work is huge. We use a wash system to ensure our parts are clean and ready to paint. Clean area. Powder coating is very susceptible to contamination, so make sure your site is clean and ready before powder coating. Even if the parts just came out of the wash system, take the time to inspect them and blow them off with an air gun. Paint gun cleaning. Always break down your gun every time after you powder coat. This includes blowing out all the lines and fittings. This ensures the best product and practices for the most success. Baking parts. Always make sure you have a properly working oven that is calibrated. Baking times and temperatures differ from company to company, so make sure you read your technical data sheets. Also, make sure you do not overbake. It can burn the product. The biggest tip we can share is prep work, prep work, and prep work. If it's done right, you will get the best product every time. Set yourself up for success, and you will be successful every time.